What is up guys, my name is Talha and you are watching Gadgets Sphere. So this is the Mivi Duopods F60 earphones. Now these are truly wireless earphones, and here as you guys can see it's written push the limits. Let's see how well these earphones are, and this is actually a very good affordable earphone under 1100 rupees. Let's see should you buy these or not. First of all, on the box you guys can see there are a lot of things. It's written engineered and made in India. Now the best part about these earphones are they're actually made in India, not anywhere else, not in China, so that's really great. And then we have the specifications here as you guys can see. Now the most important one being the super solid powerful bass drivers, and it also has IP4X, that is it is basically like sweat proof, not waterproof, so don't use it while swimming, but I don't think anyone uses it like that way. It has SD sound, dual mic for better calling and other stuff. Now this is very good. Dual mic is definitely a plus feature which I'm looking in a lot of smartphones. Now let's just unbox this and see how it is. So in the box we can just normally open the box like this, and let's just take it out. So yeah, let's take it out. Okay, here we have the Mivi stickers, I guess. So yeah, as you guys can see, these are the Mivi stickers. On the back we have the warranty registration part. I don't think it's that important, so let's just keep it aside. And then we have another Mivi sticker, and here we have welcome to the crew. So you can actually read this and pause the video. And most importantly, it says push the limits, which looks really nice and classy. Let's just keep it aside as well. And then we have I think this is a user manual guide. I don't think anybody reads these guides nowadays, but it is good that it's present here. Now we have, okay, this is a form. Let's keep it aside. Here is our earphone. This is the main part. You guys can see it looks absolutely awesome. This white color is very, very beautiful. We have USB type C at the bottom. We don't have micro USB. That is also great. And overall the earphone kind of looks really, really good. Let's open it up, and as you guys can see here, it is opened. And if I remove this and see one piece individually, you guys can see we have one mic here and one mic here. So it has dual mics in both the earphones. It means it has total 4 mics, which will help in good audio quality while while like recording audio or other stuff. So let's just keep it aside, and let's see what else we have in the box. So here we have nothing, it's just the form. Let's just remove it. And now we have one more thing, and that is, I guess, the charger. So let's just remove this and see which type of cable we have got, a good quality one or a cheap quality one. So if we remove this, we get okay, this is a very basic quality cable, not nothing special. You guys can see it has a USB type C cable, not a okay, we have maybe branding as well here, which kind of looks good to me. So we have a USB cable, basically a USB type C cable. So now let's just keep all of these aside and see how well the earphones are, and let's just try to connect it with one of our smartphones and see how well do they perform. So keeping everything aside, this is the earphone. So first of all, let's just talk about the build quality of the case. I think it's actually plastic. Definitely it has to be plastic, but this quality feels good. Like it looks like it's sturdy build. The lid is also very nice quality. It just snaps right in. There you go. There you go. So it's also very good quality. The USB type C at the bottom is also nice, because nowadays people have smartphones with USB type C. So if you have micro USB, it doesn't feel that good. We have Mivi branding here. We have 4 charging dots. It shows how charged your earphone is. Smartphone, this is the Mi11X. Let's just try to connect this earphone with this smartphone and see how it performs. So all you need to do to connect for the first time is to turn on the Bluetooth of your smartphone. So let me just turn it on. Keep out the earphones. It should be showing here. So here we have rarely used devices. Okay, we don't have here. Yeah, as you guys can see, it shows Mivi Duopods F60. Just tap on it and it's gonna pair. So once it got paired, you just need to allow everything, and there you go, it's paired. Now you can just enjoy the music, and I think the quality is gonna be really awesome. So that's what I think. That's pretty much it for today's unboxing and how do you connect and use the earphone. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.